silk culture has developed through thousands of years of Chinese civilization. It is difficult to describe how much poetic and fantasy love it carries for the Chinese people. I noticed this when I was investigating the conservation of silk culture in Suzhou. There's only one workshop that still weaves Sulu by hand using ancient techniques. Jiaming weaving workshop.
苏州的丝绸我都做过了，这个人家都知道的。他们说起周家明，他们都知道，装扮老大应该轮到我了。
The Zhou family has made silk for generations. Mr. Zhou has been running a weaving studio for more than 30 years. The silk business he undertook covers almost all categories of traditional silk. Some bracket in Suzhou, ring bracket in Nanjing, law with 2 warps, law with 4 warps. Even the complex Gusu craft.
换一种这些成品，真正在经济上。
The law with 4 warp is one of the most complicated law clothing materials in ancient China. It gradually declined after the Ming and Qing dynasties. Today it is almost lost. Only Jiaming weaving workshop has successfully completed the complete restoration of the precise Asian 4 warp twisting technique. It is made strictly according to the 3 traditional considerations: the number of warp threads per centimeter, number of weaved threads per centimeter, and the number of tufts of threads per centimeter. Its ingenious organizational structure cannot be replicated by modern machines. Replicating the clothing on Earth and Mawangdui in Henan Province, the Nanning Research Institute is responsible for dyeing, and the Jiaming Weaving Workshop is responsible for the reproduction of clothing materials. Jiaming Weaving Workshop also provided the law with 4 warp to the China National Silk Mill in Hangzhou, which is used to reproduce embroidered clothes with dragon and tiger patterns on Earth from Mashan Tower No. 1 in Jiangling during the Warring States periods, which has a longer history than Mawangdui. Hand weaving allowed us to glimpse into the souls of our ancestors. It doesn't just protect silk cultural heritage through traditional technology and restoring handicrafts, but also inherits the spirit of ancient silk craftsmen. If you look closely in Chinese literature, it shows a vivid history of the development of silk. Li Qingzhang lightly untied the law and boarded the boat to express her sorrow. Lin Daiyu slapped the law softly on the window to express her soul. So we enveloped them. Put on law and return to the basics. Then the temperament around the body is like the smoke and water of the 6 dynasties. Then the country will return to the atmosphere of the 10,000 nation wearing crowns and worshiping crowns.
成就感不成就感，我想做一点事情，我努力了，努力过了。如果结果怎么样，我也不去考虑。